Hi friends, welcome to this course. I had told you this course will let you know how to create the website, how to get traffic to your website, and how to convert that traffic, those visitors, into paying customers. But actually, this course will let you learn more than that. Okay, let's first see which are various modules in this course. In the first module, you will see digital marketing landscape. Okay, in which you will see what is digital marketing and how is it better than traditional marketing and why should you learn digital marketing. Okay, in the next module you will see what are domains, how to register your domain, and what is web hosting, how to get your web hosting, and what are content management systems, which lets you build website even if you don't have any coding knowledge. Okay, after creating your website and putting some content on the site, next task is to generate traffic to your website to get the prospective customers on your website. Okay, so in module 3, which is traffic generation, you will see how to generate traffic through search engine optimization, search engine marketing, social media marketing, content marketing, and affiliate marketing. Okay, so in the first sub module of module 3, you will see what are search engines, how to get traffic through search engines, what are various techniques of on-page SEO, and what are various strategies of off-page SEO. Okay. In the second module of module 3, you will see how to get traffic to your website through search ads and display ads. Okay. How to create the ad campaigns on Google AdWords. And how can you earn money through display ads if you have a website or a blog. Okay. In the third sub module, you will see social media marketing, in which I will show you how to create ad campaigns on Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter to get traffic to your website. Okay. In the fourth sub module of module 3, you will see what are various contents, what is content marketing, how to create and share valuable free content to attract and convert prospects into customers. Okay. In the last sub module of module traffic generation, you will see what is affiliate marketing. Okay, how can you sell your products or services through affiliate marketing, and how to earn money through affiliate marketing if you are doing blogging. Okay, after creating the traffic to your website, means getting the prospective customers on your website, next task is to convert those visitors into paying customers. Okay, which you will see in the next module, which is conversion optimization. Okay, if you don't have a proper conversion strategy in place, all the traffic which you are getting to your website will be of no value to you, because you won't be able to monetize it. You won't be able to convert them into paying customers. Okay, so for the purpose of survival, it's utmost required that you have a proper conversion strategy in place, which we will see in this conversion optimization module. Okay, in the conversion optimization, you will first see customer acquisition strategy. Okay, in which I will let you know how to capture the email IDs of your visitors, how to make them experience your products or services, and how to increase the lifetime value of your customers. In the next submodule, I will let you know what are landing pages, how to create the landing pages, and how to optimize your landing pages to make them perform better for you. In the third submodule of conversion optimization, you will see email marketing, in which you will see how to create the automated email campaigns, how to nurture your leads through emails and make them buy your products or services. Okay. Till the fourth module, you will see how to create the website, how to get traffic to your website, and how to convert that traffic into paying customers. Okay. So now to analyze all these efforts to make them better with time, you require a strong analytics system in place. Okay, a system which will let you know how your website is performing, how your ad campaigns are performing, how your conversion strategy is performing, how your landing pages are performing, and how your email marketing efforts are performing. Okay, all these things you will see in the 5th module, which is analytics, in which I will let you know how to analyze your online marketing efforts and make them better with time. In this I will show you Google Analytics and one other tool which will help you in the analytics. Okay, so all these modules will actually help you visualize online sales funnel. Okay, basically a sales funnel represents the path your customers go through from finding out about your business to actually making a purchase. Okay, your business can have more than one funnel, especially if you have multiple marketing channels. Okay, so a typical online sales funnel may look like this, where you will take your prospective customer through these stages, which are brand awareness, lead capturing, lead nurturing, and sales. Okay, so first of all, you will try to make prospective customers aware about your products or services or brand, which you do in the brand awareness. Okay, in this course you will learn how to do this through search engine optimization, search engine marketing, social media marketing, content marketing, and affiliate marketing. Okay, at second level, your funnel will have to separate people who are aware of your business but are not interested from those who are interested in you. Okay, those prospects are also known as leads. Okay, so in second level you will capture the leads, means you will capture the contact information of visitors who are interested in your products or services. Okay, in this course you will learn that through customer acquisition strategy and landing pages. Okay, after acquiring the leads for your business, it's now crucial to maintain a dialogue with prospects and become their trusted advisors. It's crucial to increase their willingness to buy from you, which is done through lead nurturing. And in this course you will learn that through email marketing. Okay, the last step of your online sales funnel is sale, for which you will direct them from your emails to your sales page. Okay, so this is how online sales funnel work. Okay, and to optimize your sales funnel, you will have to regularly observe the data and analyze it, which in this course you will see in the analytics module. Okay, through analytics you can know how many people who reach to stage 1 reach to stage 2. Okay, and then to third, and then ultimately buy from you, which means you can know where is the maximum leakage happening in your sales funnel, which stage is not performing in your favor. Okay, and when you know it, you can make that stage better and optimize your sales funnel so that you are able to sell more. Okay, so through this course you will be actually able to visualize whole online sales funnel. Okay, go digital, grow exponentially.